Are international midwives needed in overseas countries? Yes, international midwives are needed in overseas countries. Welcome to Purpose Path TV Global. Today, we will list some of the countries recruiting international midwives. Countries recruiting international midwives. 1. United Kingdom, including Scotland. The UK is one of the best destinations for overseas midwives. Employers: NHS hospitals, maternity units, women's health centres. Visa: health and care worker visa, sponsorship available. To work, you must register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, NMC. Midwives trained outside the UK usually apply through the overseas route, which includes qualification assessment and English proof. 2. Ireland. Ireland also recruits international midwives through HSE hospitals, maternity hospitals, private healthcare providers. Registration body: Nursing and Midwifery Board of Ireland, NMBI. 3. Australia. Australia has strong demand for registered midwives, dual nurse midwives. Registration: HPRA. Some employers sponsor visas directly. 4. New Zealand. Very good opportunities, especially for experienced midwives. Rural placements. Registration: Midwifery Council of New Zealand. 5. Middle East. Saudi, UAE, Qatar. Very high demand for midwives. Benefits: 1. Tax-free salary. 2. Free accommodation. 3. Flight tickets. 4. Faster recruitment. Often easier than UK. Hospitals that recruit overseas midwives. Examples: UK and Ireland. 1. NHS Scotland hospitals. 2. NHS England maternity units. 3. Guy's and St Thomas NHS Trust. 4. Manchester University NHS Trust. 5. Rotunda Hospital Ireland. 6. National Maternity Hospital Dublin. 7. Cork University Maternity Hospital. Recruiters hiring international midwives. These agencies recruit midwives from Africa. NHS Professionals International. Medax Healthcare. Kate Cowhig Recruitment. CPL Healthcare Ireland. O'Grady Peyton. Professional Connections. Middle East. Requirements for overseas midwives. Usually you need 1. Midwifery diploma or degree. 2. Professional license. 3. English test, IELTS or OET. 4. Registration with destination country. 5. Clinical experience, often 1 to 2 years. Some countries accept direct entry without experience depending on training. Good news: midwives are globally in demand because 1. Birth rates require skilled professionals. 2. Many countries have shortages. 3. Aging workforce retiring. 4. Maternal health programs expanding. Important truth: midwives often get 1. Faster sponsorship than nurses. 2. Higher salaries in some countries. 3. Strong migration pathways, especially in UK, Australia, Middle East. Follow us on Purpose Path TV Global for more migration updates.